is my absolute ultimate dream. Like, I would swap my house for this, mate.
And that's the pinnacle. I mean, that is the absolute pinnacle.
The thing our bikes are so damn good at is they're just clean.
This weekend, we announced our partnership with HRC. SKDA, the brand that I started from my bedroom in Woodside when I was 18 years old, 16 years ago, is now represented by the greatest team on the planet, the #1 riders on the world stage. It's out of control. Like, literally my absolute wildest dreams being reached, being achieved is just, it's unfathomable. You know, the emotion, the excitement, everything over the past few months of getting the deal done. And then this week announcing it, you know, it's been absolutely incredible. I'm beyond stoked. I can't even put into words the sort of excitement and feeling that I've had.
The blue in here, like the little bit of stuff in there, I think that's cool, like hit an Easter egg.
Yeah, Easter eggs. Yeah, we were thinking about that too, like to know whether you guys want to have little wing counts on their tanks or wheels.
Obviously we designed up a special kit for this weekend for the boys, like an MX of Nations Champions kit. We got to show the boys, the Lawrence brothers, they were stoked and over the moon, which is a pretty damn wild feeling. They were actually quite interested, like they had some of their own thoughts and comments and wanted to make some adjustments and some ideas for next year, which was cool. Like, it was nice to have some buy-in from them. And I mean, yeah, I mean, look at me now, man. Like, I get to spend the next, you know, whatever it is, years designing and creating artwork for factory Honda and, you know, the Lawrence brothers. And I mean, that will mean race wins and championships, and my stupid little brand that I started when I was a dumb kid will be on the #1 plate in the world. And that's just freaking ridiculous.
Hey guys, we're here at Marvel, Melbourne, Australia. What better place than to announce a new partnership between SKDA and American Honda HRC? How good an Australian company getting behind Jett and myself, Joe and Gentheimer's. Stoked, we got the MXON kit here to celebrate the gold medal, back-to-back MXON champs. They threw their own little twist on it. We got some hidden Easter eggs here. Unreal, can't wait to see some special one-off liveries this year for partners and sponsors. Excited.
Yeah, so when I think about SKDA and Sam, the owner, I think back to 2016 and having dinner with him. I sat down the night before we raced in Adelaide, and there was something just special about Sam, and something that you could just tell he was eager to build something from the ground up. And I'm a big believer in any business, any racing, you win with people. And I gravitated towards Sam in 2016, and now I fast forward all the way to the end of 2025. When people build businesses like Sam has built with SKDA, they have to think different. They have to have a different vision. And to now think about the collaboration of him and American Honda, and that's the pinnacle. I mean, that is the absolute pinnacle. You think about who he has now with his graphics on their bike, and two Australian brothers that are the best two on the planet right now.
Melbourne, will you please go crazy for Hunter and Jett Lawrence? It's crucial. Final #1 goes down. Lawrence is around pretty good, but Hunter.
5 seconds down in front is Jett Lawrence. You see him on screen now, stepping over into Hunter. Lawrence just executes lap after lap, stays within his means, and most of the time within his means.
Race #2 goes to Jett Lawrence in the overall.
Hell yeah, brother. Another trip to Oz, dude, and it was a good one.
Super pumped to be starting this new partnership with SKDA and Honda. It's really cool to have an Australian brand on board with HRC. It's sick to be able to get to deal with them personally with some of the designs for our stick kit too, with our special rounds that we have. and no better place to kind of release this partnership than at Australia's biggest event here at AUSMX. So super excited. We have our MX of Nation kit on it with some little flares, and I love it already. So we're super excited for the partnership, and I can't wait to do some sick stuff with it.
Yeah, so Honda itself is a very iconic brand, involved in every type of racing there is, Formula One and MotoGP, MXGP and AMA Supercross, and really excited to have an iconic brand like SKDA building themselves and becoming part of Honda, and just being a good fit for the brand. You know, cool design ideas that we've been talking about for the future. Really feel like, you know, with the company that they have, we can make some really cool artwork, and you know, the whole idea is kind of, you know, art meets racing, and I think that's a really cool new idea. And like I said, looking forward to doing some different cool things, while at the same time having the same classic, you know, clean look that Honda HRC Progressive has had, and will continue to have.
Yeah, so what's next for SKDA? It's a good question. To be frank with you, I don't even know. And that doesn't scare me, that's not a problem to me. But like I said, like, you know, this is my absolute ultimate dream. Like, I would swap my house for this, like anything. I'd swap everything I've ever had to have this opportunity, right? Like, it's mental. And it's all I've ever chased. So getting this now, I want to just slow down and enjoy it, right? Like, really soak this up, you know? Like, we're going to continue looking after the race teams we have, continue working with these amazing brands that we get to be a part of, and I'm just going to really try and enjoy this and soak it up. So yeah, massive thanks to everybody involved in this thing. You know, thanks to my wife for putting up with all the bullshit through all the hard years. Thanks to I want to get emotional now. Thanks to Reeve for giving me an awesome chance with Honda back in the day. I was just a kid and he gave me a shot with a team to get in. Justin Brayton's been a big part of it for me. You know, again, gave me an opportunity. He helped me get into America. AUSMX was the first team that accepted us over there. You know, nowadays, like, all my amazing staff, the crew that helped me put it together, my friends are stuck by me. Like, yeah, it's been a freaking insane journey, and to be reaching this point, like the absolute pinnacle of what I could ever imagine it to be, is just freaking ridiculous. And I'm really looking forward to now just enjoying that and soaking it up over the years to come, creating some cool designs with freaking factory Honda, and just enjoying this, you know, like, yeah, it's hard work. It's really hard work to make a business happen, let alone make it successful, let alone get to the point that you could ever imagine doing something like this. And I don't take that for granted. I'm super appreciative of the fact that I'm in this position. And now I really just want to make sure that I pay the credit to that it deserves. You know, like, really enjoy it, soak it up, you know, make some smart business decisions and keep it all running. And yeah, I mean, you know, enjoy this absolutely mental situation that I've been able to get ourselves into. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the years to come.